Hey guys, welcome to Artistic Therapy Zone.
We are going to make this beautiful soft pastel Polaroid painting. If you like more of such artworks, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And you can decorate your walls with this amazing fairy lights and a clip and give magical artistic vibes to your wall. Let's get started. Secret important material is missing in the above list. To find out, watch video till end and don't forget to type in comment box the secret material.
Soft pastels are like butter, they glide smoothly on the paper to spread the magic. We are going to use artistic soft pastels, which will give us a brighter and smoother pigmentation. And let's see how the texture is. I'll show you how it is. You can see it has a chalky texture and it is little powdery. You can see the powder on my fingers. See the magic of the secret material, how it makes the soft pastel permanent on paper. We will require paper of size 4 inch by 4.5 inch for making our Polaroid painting. So you need to cut it in this size. You can use it with a clip on your walls, or as per your wish you can decorate it. Okay, so let's see what we are going to use next. We are going to apply this masking tape on top of it. Three sides it will be equal and at the bottom it will have double length, so that will give it a look of a Polaroid painting. And you will come to know why we are applying this masking tape. I'll reveal you when we remove this masking tape. So for time being, just see that you are applying it equally on the three sides and at the bottom twice. And apply it properly. Now we are using this red soft pastel. We have to give circular shapes very smoothly and gently. Don't press it too hard. Now we are using lemon yellow color. Now we are applying light blue color, and on top we have to apply ultramarine color. I am also giving a little bit of shading of black color. We shall start blending with the lightest color first, and it should be in circular motion with your finger. Next we will apply the same circular motion to blend the red color. And we should do all this very gently. Don't apply too much pressure. And wipe your fingers when the color is changed. Now I am merging the blue color with the yellow color with the same circular motions, and I'm sure you are going to enjoy this process as it involves our touching sense, which is very therapeutic and soothing. Keep wiping your hands. Now we are going to make some mountains with the help of black color. On top of it I am going to put some pine trees. So draw like this standing line and make some leaf facing downwards in conical shape. So our pine trees are getting ready. You must be wondering how childish is this painting looking, but पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरी दोस्त. Just wait and watch. Now I am applying the secret ingredient, that is fixative. We should keep in mind while applying fixative that our eyes should be far from it at a distance, and we should gently spray it, not on exact top of it but little bit away from it. Can you see how the colors have given their pigmentation and the colors have turned bright and popped? Now let's remove the masking tape slowly at 45-degree angle. Can you see? This was the thing that I was telling you. I'll reveal you while we are removing the tape. Can you see how crisp and perfect that edge has come, which could have not came if we are not thorough with our artistic skills. But this masking tape makes our task very easy. Even removing this masking tape, I enjoy. It is very therapeutic because it gives us the feeling of joy as the painting turns really soothing to the eyes, giving it a perfect border. So whenever you want to give such perfect borders, make use of masking tape. Ta-da! Can you see? Our painting is ready with crisp edges. You can write a secret code or a name of a person whom you want to gift, happy birthday message, anything that you wish. Now we are going to put a message. I am not so good with calligraphy, so first I have put it with the help of a pencil. Now I am inking it with a pen. You can do same, and if you are a calligraphy expert, you can go directly with the pen. So for beginners, you can apply the technique same as me. Highlighting you a little bit. Remember why you started. This is very important code for me and all of you guys who are starting something. Just to recall, whenever you feel like quitting, just see this code that why you started, and it will inspire you to continue your journey. Now we are applying splattering technique with the help of white acrylic or poster color. What you have to do is dip the tip of your flat brush in paint and then take a pencil in your hand and just tap it, how I am showing you in the video.
So just tap to see the magic. If you recreate this painting, don't forget to tag us on your Instagram stories. And if you like to explore more of such artworks, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Artistic Therapy. Until our next video, keep creating and keep spreading artistic vibes. See you in the next video. Until then, art you all. Bye bye.